Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start incomplete records, accounting for incomplete records. It is also called single entry. There are two types of incomplete records. One is called pure single entry and one is called mixed single entry. So today we are going to discuss mixed single entry because most of the time in CIA, O-levels, A-levels, they give you mixed single entry. Okay, I think pure single entry, a very long time we have not given pure single entry in the exams, but we'll do pure single entry as well, inshallah. So today we are going to do mixed single entry. So here is your, okay. Now, accounting for incomplete records, single entry. Thing is, in this question, actually what happens? Very very small businessman with having very small capital and small setup, they use single entry, and they have only one record available, that is cash at bank. Through bank statement, they know what cash transactions through bank they have done, and most of the other data they have collected at the end of the year. And in this question we are giving data for 2 years, and we have to calculate profit using the 2 years data, and means assets, liabilities, revenues, expenses of the last year and this year, and we take out difference using the same method of computing. This we do in double entry system, but because these shopkeepers, they cannot do not have time and money to spend on double entry system, so they use single entry system, and most of the calculations are done at the end of the year. So suppose you are attempting this question, what you need to be asked, or what you could be asked to do in this. Okay, this is very important. First thing, ending balance of cash at bank. You might be asked to calculate this. Okay, I'm giving you all the requirements that could possibly be asked in CIE. Okay, ending balance of cash in hand. Now, any missing figure in cash or bank, they can ask you. Okay. Computation of capital at the start of the year. Okay. Then computation of total sales. Okay. Then computation of total purchases. Okay. Then income statement and balance sheet. These are the possible 8 requirements you could be asked to solve in your CIE. Okay, might be 3, 4, 2, 3, but there are total 8 requirements in this question. They can ask you any 1, 2, 3, whatever they want to ask. Okay, now see the question. Yes, this is the question. B. Smith has kept business transaction in single entry form, but he did not realize that he had not recorded cash drawings. See the missing figure. He had not recorded cash drawings. So missing figure is cash drawings. Okay. Now bank account is given, opening balance of this cash at bank account is made by using bank statement. Okay. Okay, total opening balance, cash at bank, uh, cash received from debtors, loan from T-bins, cash withdrawn from bank, trade creditors, rent, rates, drawings, sundry expenses, and ending balance. So it means ending balance of bank is given. Opening and ending both balances of cash are given. Okay. So we don't need to calculate ending balance of cash at bank. Okay. Now, records of cash paid were sundry expenses $610, trade cases 3,210, cash sales amounted to 3,490, and the following information is also available. Now, see, opening balance of cash in hand and closing balance of cash in hand is also given, but the cash drawings is missing. Okay, so what we have to do, we don't need to calculate the ending balance of cash in hand. It is also given, but there is a missing figure in required 3. Required 3 says any missing figure, and that is cash drawing. So what we have to do, we have to make a T account for cash drawings. So first we'll make a T account to compute cash drawings. Okay. Date, description, debit, date, description, credit. Okay, this is our T account for cash. Okay. Now we are computing cash in hand. Cash in. Now, cash in hand opening balance is given and closing balance is also given. We are just making it to calculate the cash drawings, which is a missing figure. Okay. Now, 2007, 10 1 balance BD is $240. $240. Okay. 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 Let me set the cell alignment for these columns. Otherwise, it won't come in an aligned way. This is that. Okay. Now, okay. See, cash paid sundry expenses. So 2007, December 31st. Okay. What we have paid? Sundry expenses 610. Sundry expenses. Sundry expenses we paid from cash 610. Now we paid trade creditors 3,210. Okay. Okay. Trade creditors 3,210. Cash sales. Sales. Okay. That is 3,490. 3,490. Okay. Now 27,000 cash was drawn from bank. So 27,000 we are going to debit over here. 31st reason bank. Okay. Now ending balance of cash is given 465. So here balance CD is given 465. 465. What is left? Drawings, cash drawings. We don't know. Okay, we'll calculate, no problem. Okay. Now, what we have to do, Okay, now see 240 plus 3490 plus 27,000. 30,000, 30,730 total. Cash in hand minus 610 minus 3210 minus 465. So 26,445 is your cash drawings. Getting my point here? So this is that's why we have made cash account, because one figure of drawings was missing and now we have calculated. Okay. Acha. After that, missing figure, computation of capital at start of the year. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate capital at start of the year. Okay. So what we do, we insert a table. Computation of capital at the start of the year, that is January 1, 2007. Okay. Now what we do, okay, we'll take all the assets. Now first asset is cash at bank, that is 9,450. Here it is 9,450 cash at bank. Cash at bank dollar 9,450. What I need to do is to use cell alignment. So all the figures should appear on the right hand side of the column. That's done. Okay. Now cash at bank. Now 31st December 2006 means these are the ending balance available for as a starting balance for 2007. Cash in hand $240. Cash in hand $240. Okay. Then debtors 24,000, 30,065. Debtors 30,065. Okay. 30,065. Okay. Then rates in advance 1410. Rates in advance 1410. Okay. Then motor van at valuation 14,000. Motor van 14,000. And stock. Stock available, how much? 55,815. 55,815. So we'll take the totals over here, total assets. How much? 9,450 plus 240 plus 30,065 plus 1410 plus 14,000 plus 55,815, 110,980 is the amount of total assets. Now, less liabilities. Okay. At the start of the year, we have only one liability, that was trade creditors here. 24,480 trade creditors. How much is trade creditors? This is 24,480. We'll keep it in a bracket, 24,480. And we'll get it here, capital at start How much? Minus 24,480, $86,500 is your capital at start. Okay, this is done. Okay. Next. Now, computation of total sales. Acha. There are teachers in our city who will ask you to make a T account to compute sales. Okay. This method is also good, not bad. But the thing is, if you use sales ledger control account or receivable control account to compute total sales, that T account will help you to calculate credit sales. Then you have to add cash sales in that. Okay. So if you want to do it through control account, it's up to you. But what I prefer is using the formula of total sales. Total sales formula. Okay. Use formula. Because CIE never asks you to use any particular way to calculate total sales and total purchases. So I prefer all my students to use this formula. Okay. Total sales. Cash received from debtors during the year. Okay. Plus trade debtors or trade receivables at the end of the year minus trade debtors at the start of the year plus cash sales plus discount allowed plus bad debts. Valid expense, the real expense. Okay. This is the formula of using total sales. Okay. So it is better for you to use the formula. Okay. Now see, in this case, now we are using this formula to calculate total sales. Okay. Okay. Now, using this for this question, we will calculate total sales. Cash received from debtors will come to know through bank. 223,280. 223,280. Okay. Plus trade debtors at the end of the year. It is given in the question. Trade debtors at the end of the year. Here it is. 35,660. Okay. Plus 35,660 minus debtors at the start of the year. That was 30,065. 30,065. Okay. Plus cash sales. So cash sales is given in the cash book. Cash sales 3,490. Here is the cash sales. 3,490 plus 3,490 plus discount allowed. I don't think so. Discount allowed is given in this question. Not even bad debts. Not even bad debts. Okay, so this is the end of the equation, and we'll come to know what is the amount of total sales. Total sales in this question is equal to 223,280 plus 35660 minus 30065 plus 3490. The answer is 232365. 232365. This is our total sales using the formula. Okay, you can if you want to do it through sale ledger control account, it's up to you. Okay. Now come to total purchases. Total purchases is equal to cash paid to the suppliers during the year plus trade payables or trade creditors, trade creditors ending balance, okay, minus trade creditors opening balance plus discount receipt. Okay, so now using this equation, we can calculate total purchases for our question also. Now, total purchases is equal to cash paid to the suppliers during the year. Yes, this is paid to trade creditors. 158,475. 158,475. Okay. Then trade creditors at the end of the year 25,455. 25 plus 25,455. Trade creditors at the end of the year. Less trade creditors at the start of the year. At the start of the year, it was 24,480. 24,480. Achha, I don't think so that we have any cash purchases. Here it is cash. Yes. This is cash purchases, 3,210. So, okay. Sorry, I forgot to write it in the cash purchases. Cash purchases. Okay. So we will add here cash purchases. That was how much? 3,210. 3,210. So now we got total purchases is equal to how much? 158,475 plus 25455 minus 24480 plus 3210. This is 162,660. 162,660 is your total purchase. Okay, you can calculate total purchases using purchase ledger control account, but I think it's better in exams to use this formula. Okay, it will save your time. Okay, now what next? After total sales and total purchases, we can go to the requirement of the question, that is making an income statement and a trading or income statement and a balance sheet. Okay, now we are making income statement. Okay, yeah. So this is your income statement. Income statement. The year ended 31st December 2007. Okay. Now, first, what we have to do? We have to insert another column. Otherwise, we will cancel. Insert table. Draw table. Draw table. We are making another column. Now, we'll report sales. Sales was how much? We know sales was 232,365. Dollar 232,365. Okay. Now, give heading less cost of sales. cost of sales. Okay. Start heading. Okay. Now inventory. Inventory. So date of inventory would be 1st January 2007. Opening inventory. It is given in the question. Opening inventory is, or opening stock. Stock is basically called inventory. Okay, previously it was called stock, now they will call it inventory. Inventory. 55,815. Okay. 55,815. I need to align the cells, these cells actually. We need cell alignment, otherwise all figures won't come in the same line. Okay. So now purchases. Okay, purchases is how much? 162,660. 162,660 total purchases. Okay, if we add them, we will get cost of goods available for sale. 55,815. 218,475. 218,475 is your cost of goods available for sale. Cost of goods available for sale. Okay. Now less we have to deduct here inventory, closing inventory, and the date would be 31st December 2007. So what is the amount of closing stock or inventory in the question? This is 65105. Here it is, 65105. We'll keep it in a bracket. 65105, bracket closed, and we'll get cost of sales over here. 218,475 minus 65105. The answer is 153,370. This is your cost of sales. Cost of sales. Now, again, we need to put it in the bracket. So, because we have to deduct it from sales. Okay. Control U, and here we'll get the gross profit. Minus 232. 78,995. 78,995 is your gross profit. Got it? Acha. Now what we have to do? We have to give heading expenses. Okay. Now again our heading expenses. Okay. Now start from rent. Acha. Rent is 13,750. We paid during the year 13,750. And rent accrued at the end of the year is 1250. So accrued rent at the end of the year is going to be added 1250, and we'll get rent here 15,000. Rent. Okay. Acha. After rent, rates 6,500. Okay, 6,500 we paid during the, but rates we are given prepaid at the start of the year, at the end of the year. So for in case of advances or prepaids, for expenses, what we do, prepaid rate at the start of the year is going to be added 1410, and prepaid rate at the end of the year is going to be deducted 1560. So we get 6,350 rate, our expense rate. How much? 6,350. Getting my point here? Okay. Now, after rate, next expense, sundry expenses 8,210, and sundry expenses are also given in cash in hand also. There are two expenses. Sundry expenses are paid by check and paid by cash also. So we have to add them. That is 8,210 plus 610, total 8820. Sundry expenses 88, sundry expenses, expenses. Something is wrong. Okay, this is 8,820. After that, okay, after that, what is left? Do you know? One hidden expense is depreciation. Yes. See, motor valuation at the start of the year is 14,000, but at the end of the year is 12,000. It means 2,000 is depreciation. So depreciation is okay. Let me check all the expenses are done. Yes. Okay. Now what we do, we'll get total expenses in this column. No, this column. Okay. 15,000 plus 6,350 plus 8,820 plus 2,000. Answer is 32,170, and we'll keep it in bracket. 32,170. This is our total expenses. Okay. And we'll get it net profit here. 78,995 minus 3,210. Your net profit is 46,825. Getting my point clear? And this is our net. Okay. Okay. Now, what we have to make now? Balance sheet or statement of financial position. Okay. So, statement of affairs. They also call it balance sheet, is also called a statement of affairs. Don't get confused. As on 31st December 2007. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. First heading, non-current assets. We have only one non-current asset in this question, and that is, I think, motor expense, motor van. Okay. So we will write it over here, motor van. That is now 12,000. Now, what I need to do is cell alignment. Cell alignment on the right side and here talks. Okay, now come to current assets heading. Current assets. This is our heading. Now, current asset, we have the list, inventory or stock, whatever you want to write. Inventory at the end of the year. Okay, inventory at the end of the year is 65,105. 65,105. Okay. Then trade debtors or trade receivables, trade debtors at the end of the year. Trade debtors at the end of the year is 35,660. Yes, 35,660. 35,660. Okay. Then cash. Sorry. Prepaids. We will have prepaids. Prepaid, we have rates. Prepaid rates 1,560. Prepaid rates 1,560. Okay. Then cash in hand. Sorry, cash at bank. Cash at bank is given in the cash book. In the question, pending balance 13,240. 13,240. And now cash in hand. Cash in hand is also given ending balance. We can take from the T account also 465, or you using the question 465 over here, 465. Now we'll get the total assets over here. Total. Okay. See how much total assets? Starting from non-current 12,000 plus 65,105 trade debtors. Inventory, sorry, 35. Sorry, I made a mistake. Something 12,000 plus 65,105 plus 35,660 plus 1,560 plus 13,240 plus 465. 128,030 total assets. 128,030 total assets. Okay. Okay. Now we have calculated total assets. Next item, liabilities. Okay, our heading, liabilities. Now we have क्या हो गया? We have liabilities. First is trade creditors. Creditors. How much is the trade creditors at the end of the year? It's given in the question. Trade creditors at the end of the year. Here it is given 25,455. 25,455. 25,455. Okay. Okay. And one more liability was loan. Okay. चले गया. Loan from bins, I think. Loan from bins is also given, I think. The two liabilities given. Two liabilities. Two liabilities. Yes, loan from T bins, 10,000. 10,000. Okay. Loan from T bins. Okay. Then okay. Now, financed by capital at start. Now, why I have asked you to calculate capital at start, even when you are not asked to do this, because here, when you are computing, or you are making balance sheet, you need capital start over here. That's why I ask you to calculate. Now, capital start, you have calculated. Here, 86,500, you have calculated 86,500 capital start, add net profit. Okay, net profit is how much? 46,825. 46,825. Okay. Now what I need to do is use the cell alignment. Otherwise, now okay. Add net profit. Okay. Then less drawings. Drawings we have how much? See, in the bank, we have withdrawn from the bank 15,475. 15,475. And from cash, the missing figure was 26,445. Total drawings was 41,920. 41,920 was total drawings. So we need to keep it in bracket. Okay. Okay. Now, what we get? Capital at end. Capital at end, that is 31st December 2007. Now, after these changes, 86,500 plus 46,825 minus 41,920. The answer is 9105. Okay, capital at end. Now see, if we add liabilities and capital at end, both liabilities and capital at end, it should be equal to 128030. Okay, so let's see if it's coming. Sorry. Plus 10,000 plus 91,405. The answer is no, answer is coming different. That is 25455. Okay, 25455 plus 10,000 plus 91405. 126860. 126860. The answer is coming different. Minus 128030. A 1170. The total difference is coming 1170. Why the difference is coming? Okay, we have to calculate 1170. Why? Is there any figure of 1170 in this question somewhere? No. 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 So there is a difference of 1170. It's coming. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to find out why the difference is coming. Okay. Okay. Now, class, what I forgot here to write, it was my mistake. Thank God I made a mistake. This is rent owing. It is the third liability I forgot to enter. Okay. Thanks God I forgot to enter, because that is also a learning point for all of you. Okay. You should not forget anything to enter in your balance sheet, that is rent owing. Now, we have three liabilities and one capital item. 25455 plus 10,000 plus 1250 plus 91325, and the answer is 128030. Yes, it's done. 128030. Oh my God. Okay, we call it total equities. Okay. Now see 128. Now the balance sheet is Agreed? Same, mashallah, we have done. Okay. So we have to be very much careful while computing income statement and balance sheet. Sometimes that was only one thing we forgot, that is rent owing 1250, and there was a difference. Okay. So every experience is a learning experience, mashallah. That's all for today. We have done accounting for incomplete records, mashallah, today. With all these 8 requirements, you should keep in mind they can ask you, and very much careful while computing these things, because a very small missing amount can create a problem for you, just it has created for me today. Okay, that's very learning. Okay, so that's all for today. Anything, please subscribe my channel. If you want me to solve something special for you, just leave a comment, I'll solve it for you. Okay, and hopefully what I'm doing, I'm putting all my efforts to make this channel successful, just for the sake of students. So they should not waste a lot of money in tuitions. Okay, they can save their money, and these videos would be helpful. Work very hard, work smartly, take care. Allah Hafiz.